G'day, Michael Sylvester here. I just wanted to first to say thank you for purchasing the ConvertR software. You're going to get heaps of use out of it. It's an awesome way to convert articles into videos, and it can do it quite effortlessly. Now the thing is, some people have a little bit of trouble in the beginning with the installation, or actually what they do in the initial installation. Now some people get a bit of get a permissions error, or an error pop up when they first use it. Now the main one is actually empty path name is not legal. Now the only reason for that is because the software is not running with full permissions, so it needs administration privileges or processes so that it can it actually uses files that are already on your computer to help convert your articles into videos. So it needs some permissions set. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. It's quite easy, and occasionally you have to do this with other software too, but I want to take you through the whole process of what to do here. Now with your download, there's actually you'll see two setup files. It doesn't matter which one you use. There's you don't need to choose one or the other. Either one will work. Okay, just one is a different type of installer. Doesn't matter which one you use. When I install, I like to install for everyone. Okay, that's just me. You may not even get to choose on your computer, but either one is just fine. Goes to the normal default programs folder, and we're just going to let that install. It's probably going to take about say 20-30 seconds or so, but I wanted to take you through. Look, the main reason for this video was because some people do get an error when they first use the software, and that's all it is. It's just permissions are set a little bit too tight on the computer itself. So we need to do one thing, basically tick a box or check a box, and make sure that's done before we use the program. So as you can see here, I've successfully installed the program. Okay, I'll just close it out here. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the start program. You could go this way to the shortcut, or you may have a shortcut on your desktop. Okay, either way, find the ConvertR shortcut, right click on it and click properties. Now that'll bring up this little box here. From here I want to click on the compatibility tab up the top here, and just down the bottom here you want to make sure that you set this to run this program to run as administrator. So I just select that, click apply and OK. Okay, and then you're good to go. You can use the software now. So I would do this as part of your normal installation before you even use the program for the first time, and that'll have you all set. If you do have any other issues, like let's say the program won't update, which can happen sometimes, that's usually because your antivirus or firewall is actually blocking the internet connection to check. So basically all the software does is it checks my server for a new version. If there is one, it'll let you know to download it. But if your antivirus or your firewall is blocking that connection, it's not going to update properly. So what you want to do is is to try to update the program first. You know, it may work just fine for you, but if it doesn't, turn off your firewall and your antivirus, and then try and update it again. If that still doesn't work, what you want to do is go to the actual ConvertR where you installed the ConvertR program. Okay, and there's an updater right here called Y Update. Now what you can do there is double click on that, and it will update that way. Okay, otherwise if you have any issues, more than welcome to put in a support ticket. We'll look after you pretty much straight away. I pride myself on the support that you know, even though this software was fairly inexpensive, the support for it is top notch. Okay, so for support, basically what you want to do is go to www.michaelsylvestersupport.com, okay, and set yourself up there. Now, I previously had these instructions in this little troubleshooter here on the installer in the README file. This may change by the time you get to it, but the reason for the video was to basically explain this and to show you what to do. Okay, quite simple. Enjoy the software. Make some cool videos. Remember, we have video to text, text to video, or that's the main part of the software. But you can select either voiceover, where someone speaks, reads the words out while the video is playing, or you can select just simple background music. So have a play around. If you have any ideas for updates, open up a support ticket, let me know, because we're always adding updates all the time, which reminds me, you do get updates for free for life. That's what I like to do. So enjoy the software, go for it, and contact me anytime you want to. Take care.